Last video we learned how to apply materials, and also we learned how to illuminate the text. And today we're gonna set lightings to our scene like a night mood light. Stay tuned and we're gonna start. In principles of lighting, there is one called 3-point lighting: the key light, the fill light, and the backlight. The key light is the strongest light in the setup and our main source of light with a soft shadow. It is placed to the side of the camera and front of the subject into 30 to 45 degree angle. The next is the fill light. It fills the darkness of the shadow in the opposite side of the face of an object resolved by the key light. The fill light is normally up to 50% as powerful as the key light. And the last light in the 3-point setup is the backlight. It is placed at the back of the subject, also 30 to 45 degree angle. It creates some edges or contour effect around the subject, and it separates our subject from the background. Since I want to turn our environment into a night scene, I just want to use the 2-point light, the key light, and the backlight. And I'm gonna move the camera here. The key light is at the front of our subject, and the backlight that looks like light from somewhere behind. And that's how I make our scene. And here's how it works. Let's start. Press Ctrl A and select area light. Now this is our area light. Scale it up to x-axis. Let's make it more longer, as tall as our 3D model. Now I rotate it to about 90 degrees. And also rotate it to 90 degrees to y-axis. And turn into a vertical position. Make it wider a little bit. Now, like our demo, it serves as our backlight. And I'll place it at the left side of our subject. Point it to the subject. And let's make another copy. Rotate it. And now it serves as our key light. And I'll place it at the right side of our subject. Now let's position our view. And let's set our viewport shading to rendered. Select a light and click this light bulb icon. And that's our backlight. Let's change the power of it for about 50. And to emphasize the light from behind, let's change its color. Wow, beautiful. As you can see before, there's no other presence of light than the luminous text. And now let's adjust its front light or the key light. Let's manipulate its power and its color. And it looks good. You can also play the different colors of your light. Remember that the light colors plays the big rules of making good ambience of the scene. I'll choose this orange light for the front, and something blue colors at the back. Now as you can see, the two opposite lights separates the two faces of our subject. The two colors emphasizes the shadows in between the corner. And as I said, the light colors plays the big rules for making the good ambience of the scene, just like this. And also this. And many more. And thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned something new today. And God bless. check out my next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Click the bell button for daily updates. Also visit, like, and follow our Facebook page, Surface360. Thanks for watching.